how to fix Minecraft connection reset error. So here's what you want to do. Open up your computer search for how to remove programs, click on system settings here. Now you want to type Minecraft, and you just want to find Minecraft for Windows, click on the three dots, advanced options. And here we will click on terminate and then repair. After you have done this, you want to go back and do the same for the launcher as well. So again, I'm going to search for Minecraft, launcher, three dots, advanced options, terminate and repair. Okay, once we have done this, we can proceed to the second step, which is going to be searching for view network connections. Click on it. Now click on the network connection which you're using. Go to properties. Now you want to find Internet Protocol version 4, selected, properties. Use the following DNS server addresses, and you want to type 1.1.1.1, and the alternate DNS server is going to be 1.0.0.1. Validate settings upon exit. Click on OK. This is just going to verify your internet connection. It should fix the issue. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.